Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another cooking vlog. I'm in the kitchen again and today I'm making teriyaki salmon and I'm going to share with you guys my teriyaki salmon recipe. Very quick, simple and easy. So continue watching guys. Join me in the kitchen and let's start cooking. So these are what I'm going to use to make the sauce. 2 tablespoons of Chinese sauce, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons honey, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, some red pepper flakes, pepper, thyme, ginger, garlic, and 1 teaspoon of white sugar. For the salmon, these are what I'm going to use to season. So lemon pepper, onion powder, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and a little bit of fish seasoning. So let's start. So in this bowl I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of the Chinese sauce or soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, and 2 tablespoons of honey. And I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. So I'm going to substitute this white sugar and use brown sugar instead. I'm using 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. I'm going to add the red pepper flakes, and I'm going to grate the ginger. I'm going to add the thyme, some pepper, and then garlic. So for the salmon, I'm going to clean it off with some lemon juice. So I'm gonna pat dry them. And then I'm gonna put the seasoning on. Garlic powder, onion powder, some fish seasoning, some lemon pepper, a little bit of salt, and some complete seasoning. I'm going to do the same thing for the next side. So I'm going to flip it around. I'm going to push the seasoning in, and then I'm going to flip it on the next side and season this side as well. Okay, so to my saucepan, I'm going to add a little bit of vegetable oil, like that. So now I'm going to coat. So I'm going to coat the salmon in the sauce. Then I'm going to put it in my saucepan. So I'm going to flip the salmon on the next side. Oops. So I'm going to remove them from the pan. Put them right there. Put them right there. I'm going to prepare the sauce now. I'm going to add a little bit of water. I'm going to squeeze a little fresh lemon juice to the sauce. Then I'm going to cover and let it cook for like 1 minute. And now it's time to add the salmon to the sauce. Then I'm gonna cover and let it simmer for like a minute or two. So my teriyaki salmon is done cooking, and I'm gonna serve this with some yellow rice and corn. This is basically how I prepare my teriyaki salmon. So if you reached this far in the video, if you enjoyed the recipe, please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed as yet for more videos, guys. Thank you all for watching. See you all on my next video. Bye.